Difference between I used to and I'm used to. I used to and I'm used to have different meanings and usages in English. I used to. I used to describes a past habit, state, or action that no longer happens. Example, I used to play soccer every weekend. This means you played soccer regularly in the past, but you don't anymore. I am used to. I'm used to indicates that something is familiar or comfortable for you now, often due to repeated exposure or experience. Example, I'm used to waking up early. This means waking up early is something you are accustomed to and it does not feel unusual or difficult for you anymore. In summary, I used to refers to past habits or states, while I am used to describes current familiarity or comfort with something. I hope that helped. Happy learning.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.